Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. I'm here with another exciting video tutorial. Today I'm going to make a very simple but excellent motion video by Canva. Let's get started. Here I'm using Canva Pro for making professional design. Canva is not just the best option for beginners, but also a great tool for professional graphics designers to save time and energy. So open the Canva first and select Instagram Reels or Story for this motion design. Here you can see my blank artboard opened. Now left side you can see ready-made templates. Here are a lot of options you can see, but actually we are not going to take that ready-made template. We are going to customize. So I'm going to Pinterest first to search my material. Let's get search chocolate. We can see a lot of chocolate material came, but actually I want chocolate packet. So let's search KitKat chocolate or type any brand name. Here I already downloaded a chocolate packet. So I'm taking that. First I am taking this chocolate packet in correct size. First I make it big, but I need a little bit space, so keep it medium size. And you can use ruler. If your Canva has no ruler, then press Shift R. Now add another ruler to the middle of the artboard, one from the left side and one from the top. Now create a duplicate page and delete the chocolate packet from the first page. Now you can clearly see the area that needs to be filled with nuts and chocolate. Let's search for nuts. It's better to look for realistic ones. For this, go to the Elements tab and explore the Graphics section. If you can't find suitable nuts here, Try searching in the photos section instead. Fill the required area with suitable knots. To save time, I will complete this part quickly. Remove the background and make it small. Then duplicate and you can flip this, and let's search another elements and do same process. Here actually I forgot to delete background, so I remove the background. Now I'm searching different nuts and chocolate. It's up to you actually that which material you want to choose. I want to make the chocolate bar more delicious and attractive, so let's search what I can add. Finally I got very attractive delicious nuts. Now it's time to customize as realistic. I'm trying that nuts should be mixed with other nuts, so I change the position. I must say that you should follow this procedure as required. Now let's download this page. I'm going to download the current page, not both page. Here I didn't click on mark the transparent mode. You must mark the transparent mode. That later you no need to remove the background. Here I came to the upload section and upload the current downloaded image. As I didn't remove the background, so I have to remove the background while I'm working here. I deleted that first page because I don't need the first page now, so delete it. Now I have only one page here, and I took that nurse page or image here and fixed as full size. You've seen that I remove the background and make it duplicate. Now go to the position and then go to the layer section. Here I deleted one layer, and in next page I'm going to delete the nuts layer. So now I have nuts, and then another page I have chocolate packet. Now crop the image because we don't need extra space. Remove rulers because those rulers now bothering me. See, I cropped. Keep the image left side. I mean, at one side. Do same thing or same procedure at second page. Now we are going to create an animation. For that, hold the shift key and with your mouse drag the elements toward right side. Wait some time and then drag it left side. Original one is not perfect, so we can try smooth. And next option, you can increase your speed or decrease your speed as required. If it is not perfect, then delete path and take a new path. If you feel that it is perfect animation, then click on done. Now copy the style and apply on the second page. You can see the same animation also applied on the second page. Now download both pages as a MP4 format. It's downloading. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's done. Download this page also. Same format. We are all done. Delete all elements and upload MP4 video. And take first one. Now see what I'm doing. Notice carefully what I'm doing. I cropped this video from right side. Again, same procedure I'm doing on the second, for the second video actually. First one I cropped from right side, so I have to crop this video from left side. Perfect. Now let's check the video how it is working. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's perfect. With more effort, it will be even more perfect. Now, finally, we can download this video, and that's all for today. Do subscribe. Allah Hafiz.